The increasing price in SOS stock appears alongside heavy trading of the shares. About 100 million shares of the stock have exchanged hands. The company's everyday average trading volume is near 17 million shares, to put that into focus. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we'll be talking about SOS Stock Predictions Update 2021. Before we dive into the video, please drop a like on this video and subscribe if you haven't already. Please turn on the post notifications to never miss a video from us. SOS Limited, a technology company, provides marketing data, technology, and solutions for emergency rescue services to corporate and individual members. It operates SOS Cloud Emergency Rescue Service software as a service platform that offers basic cloud products such as medical rescue, car rescue, financial rescue, and mutual assistance rescue cards. Cooperative cloud products, including Information Rescue Center, Intelligent Big Data, and Intelligent Software and Hardware, and information cloud products such as News Today and E-Commerce Today. The company serves insurance companies, medical institutions, healthcare providers, auto manufacturers, financial institutions, senior living assistance providers, security providers, and other service providers in the emergency rescue services industry. SOS Limited is based in Qingdao, the People's Republic of China. SOS shares have been strong in 2021, with a gain of 350% plus so far. The main reason for this has been the company getting involved in the cryptocurrency mining sector and blockchain. February 11th saw the bullish fever really take hold as SOS Ltd jumped nearly 60%. This was likely on the back of an announcement made by SOS Ltd on February 9th that had received 5,000 pieces of mining rigs for cryptocurrency. SOS chairman Yandai Wang commented that they had secured a supply of crypto mining equipment that is expected to generate sufficient crypto hash power by allowing them to capture the rising cryptocurrency price promptly. On February the 9th, SOS shares opened at $3.80, and by February 17th, they had hit a high of $17.88. On February the 12th, SOS priced 22 million shares at $5 to raise $110 million. In February, on the 18th, it was reported that the company announced a raise of $86 million in a secondary offering of 8.6 million shares at $10 a share. On February 24th, SOS announced the second delivery of 5,000 pieces of crypto mining. During February, the price of Bitcoin appreciated sharply, so this was timely news for investors. On February 26th, Hindenburg Research issued a bearish note saying they were short the stock, which they believed to be an obvious China-based shell game reanimating the corpse of a former China-based company that earlier imploded 90% from its highs. The SOS Limited stock price gained 20.15% on the last trading day, rising from $6.80 to $8.17, and has now gained 4 days in a row. It will be interesting to see whether it survives to maintain gaining or take a minor break for the next few days. During the day, the stock varied 41.44% from a day low at $6.54 to a day high of $9.25. The figure has fallen in 6 of the last 10 days and is down by 36.17% for this period. Volume has improved on the last day, along with the price, which is a positive technical sign, and in total, 196 million more shares were traded than the day before. In total, 322 million shares were bought and sold for around $2.63 billion. The SOS Limited stock holds buy signals from both short and long-term moving standards, giving a positive forecast. Also, a general buy signal from the two signals relation where the short-term average is over the long-term average. On corrections down, there will be some assistance from the lines of $6.82 and $5.05. A breakdown below any of these levels will issue sell signals. Volume is climbing along with the price. This is supposed to be a good technical signal. Some negative signals were issued as well, and these may affect the near short-term development. A sell signal was published from a pivot top point on Wednesday, February 17, 2021, and so far it has fallen 36.17%. Further fall is shown until a new bottom pivot has been attained. Furthermore, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence. On the downside, the stock gained support just below today's level from the collected volume at $7.44 and $6.69. There is a natural risk associated when a stock is examining a support level, since if this is broken, the stock may drop to the next support level. In this case, SOS Limited finds support just below the next level at $7.44. If this is broken, then the next support from accumulated volume will be $6.69 and $6.32. This stock may move very much during a day, and with a substantial prediction period from the Bollinger Band, this stock is considered very high risk. During the last day, the stock moved $2.71 between high and low, or 41.44%. For the last week, the stock has had daily average volatility of 35.04%. Several short-term signals, along with a general good trend, are positive, and we conclude that the current level may hold a buying opportunity, as there is a good chance for SOS Limited stock to perform fine in the short term. SOS is an emerging blockchain-based and big data-driven marketing and solution provider. Collectively, with other cryptocurrency stocks, SOS stock leaped by over 40% during intraday trading. For one thing, SOS is one of the newer players on the cryptocurrency scene. At the time, the company is going to roll out its mining infrastructure. On top of that, it has programs to develop insurance and security management solutions for digital assets and cryptocurrencies. As with most assets, cryptocurrency owners would need a means of keeping things guarded. Given SOS's current trajectory, it could help to satisfy this requirement in the future. Not to mention, the company also works in several booming end markets via its marketing data arm. These include, but are not restricted to, the cloud computing, Internet of Things, and artificial intelligence industries. SOS presented a key update on its cloud crypto mining center last week in terms of cryptocurrency-related business. The company revealed that it started into a comprehensive agreement with Libadong Hydropower Station. With this arrangement, Libadong will contribute SOS with electricity and house its crypto mining rigs for a term of 3 years. Having obtained a location, SOS is now another step nearer to setting up its cloud mining operations. Qingdao, China, announced that it had completed the initial steps of executing its blockchain strategy and strongly developed a cutting-edge firewall system, personal biological information storage system, and antivirus system, all of which are based on blockchain and AI. Copyright of these software systems have been recorded with the PRC Copyright Protection Center. Also, SOS owns close to 100 software copyrights and 4 certifications, compared to cloud computing for rescue and insurance marketing and blockchain-based infrastructure. These intellectual property assets show a solid and comprehensive ecosystem for marketing solutions for the rescue assistance and insurance industry based on blockchain, big data, AI, 5G, and satellite network, in agreement with the industry and national and international norms ISO. SOS newly built a subsidiary named Qingdao SOS Digital Technologies Inc. to be concentrating on the research of cryptocurrency and blockchain-based insurance, blockchain security management, DeFi. Dr. Eric Yan is selected as the president of this newly formed subsidiary. Management demands to publish more innovative solutions and products compared to the blockchainized security framework shortly. Certain statements made herein are forward-looking statements in the meaning of the safe harbor provisions of the Private Securities Litigation Reform Act of 1995. Forward-looking comments may be recognized by using words such as anticipate, believe, expect, estimate, plan, outlook, project, and other similar phrases that predict or indicate future events, or trends or statements of historical matters. Such forward-looking statements include timing of the proposed transaction. The business plans, objectives, expectations and intentions of the parties, SOS's expected and future results of operations, business strategies, competitive position, industry conditions and potential growth opportunities, market recognition of their products. The ultimate impact of the current coronavirus pandemic or any other health epidemic on the business, their research programs, healthcare systems or the global economy as a whole. Their intellectual property, their reliance on third-party organizations, their anticipated financial and operating results, including anticipated sources of revenues, their assumptions regarding the size of the available market, benefits of the product offering, product pricing, timing of product launches, management's expectation with respect to further acquisitions, statements regarding their goals, intentions, plans and expectations, including the introduction of new products and markets, and their cash needs and financing plans and etc. These forward-looking statements reflect the current analysis of existing information and are subject to various risks and uncertainties. As a result, caution must be exercised in relying on forward-looking statements. SOS may not realize its expectations, and its beliefs may not prove correct. Due to known and unknown risks, their actual results may vary materially from their expectations or projections. All forward-looking comments attributable to the company or persons working on its behalf are expressly qualified in their entirety by these factors. Other than as required under the securities law, the company does not imply a duty to update these forward-looking statements. Furthermore, the company also declared that it received 5,000 additional crypto mining rigs as well. Time will tell if SOS can make the utmost of its current mining infrastructure once it is set up. For now, would you consider following SOS stock? Congratulations guys, you have reached the end of the video. That's it about SOS Price Predictions Update 2021. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to see more such content from us. Please turn on the post notifications to get notified every time we post a video. Tell us in the comments if you are going to purchase SOS stocks.